In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install printer on iPhone. So let's get started. Now this basically means that how you can use a printer with your iPhone. Well, you have two methods. The first one is using AirPrint, and this is the easiest method, okay? So first you have to make sure that your iPhone and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then you're just gonna open the file that you're gonna want to print. So let's say in my case I want to go ahead and print this file right here. So I'm going to click on the share icon on the bottom right, click on more, and then from here I'm going to click on print. Then I'm just going to go ahead and choose my print tool, and it should appear right here. I can just adjust the copies and paper size and just click on print, and there you go, it's done. Now that's method one, and that only works if your printer actually supports AirPrint. Now method number two is using the printer's app. So let's say your printer doesn't show up right there, then the other way is to just go to your app store and just search up the printer's company name, type that in, and download the app. So for example, let's say I have an HP printer, I've downloaded the HP app. I can just go ahead and open the app, click on plus, and add a printer from here, as you can see. So yeah, that's the second way. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.